My dear students of class 9 and 10, how are you? I hope you are fine. I am also fine. Now I am going to take online class, English first paper, Unit 3, Lesson 6, Pohela Boishakh. At first, I would like to read the topic. You follow. Pohela Boishakh is the first day of Bangla New Year. The day is a public holiday. This day has a special significance for us as it forms a part of Bengali culture and tradition. People from all walks of life, irrespective of their ethnic identity or religious beliefs, celebrate the day with traditional festivities. On this day, the whole of Bangladesh is in a festive mood. The day inspires people to start life with renewed hopes and inspiration. Every other day is celebrated traditionally. People wake up early in the morning. People in hundreds and thousands pour in from all directions to attend the cultural function at Ramna Bottomol organized by Chayanot. The cultural program begins just with sunrise, and the renowned artists of the country take part in the program that starts with the famous Thakur songs, Esho He Boishakh, Esho Esho. Artists also sing traditional folk songs and display classical dance with the rhythm of musical instruments. People also come to join the colorful processions. The biggest carnival of the country organized by the fine arts students of Dhaka University. The procession usually displays the traditional practice of Bengali culture. The masks and wreaths worn by the people are so fascinating. Often they symbolize contemporary words of happiness in the national life. It attracts in increasing numbers of foreign tourists every year. The day is also observed all over the country. Different social and cultural organizations and educational institutions celebrate the day with their own culture programs. On this day, newspapers bring out special supplements. There are also special programs on the radio and television. The celebration of Pohela Boishakh marks a day of cultural unity for the whole nation, irrespective of caste and creed. I have finished my reading. I think you enjoyed the reading. Now we are going to learn some vocabs about the topic. You note down on your khata. Significance. Significance means tatparja. Synonym, importance. Ethnic, nitatik, tribal, religious, ধর্মীয়, theological, traditional, ঐতিহ্যবাহী, conventional, inspiration, অনুপ্রেরণা, encouragement. I have written here 5 vocabulary: significance, তাৎপর্য, importance, ethnic, nitatic, tribal, religious, ধর্মীয়, theological, traditional, ঐতিহ্যবাহী, conventional, inspiration, অনুপ্রেরণা, encouragement. Note down on your khata, please. Okay, I think you have finished your writing, so I am cleaning the board. Now we are going to learn some open question. At first, we are learning some questions. Why does Pohela Boishak bear a special significance? Why does Pohela Boishak bear a special significance? This is our question. Now, I am writing the answer. Pohela Boishak bears a special significance because it forms a part of Bengali culture and tradition. This is our answer. Why does Pohela Boishak bear a special significance? Our answer is Pohela Boishak bears a special significance because it forms a part of Bengali culture and tradition. Now, we are going to learn another question. Number 2, what does the procession display? Our answer, the procession displays the traditional practice of Bengali culture. What does the procession display? Our answer is the procession displays the traditional practice of Bengali culture. Write down on your khata. Our next question: how do people celebrate the day? People celebrate the day with traditional festivities. Our question is, how do people celebrate the day? Answer is, people celebrate the day with traditional festivities. Our next question: number 4, what do people love to eat on this day? This day, people love to eat traditional foods. Our question: what do people love to eat on this day? Answer: on this day, people love to eat traditional foods. Our next question: what do women and men wear on Pohela Boishakh? Women wear white sarees with red borders and adorn themselves with colorful churis and flowers. Men put on pajamas and Punjabis. Our last question, what do women and men wear on Pohela Boishakh? Women wear white sarees with red borders and adorn themselves with colorful churis and flowers. Men put on Punjabis and pajama and Punjabis. This is our open-ended question. We have written here 5 questions and I also have given 5 answers. Now you revise the questions and answers so that you will able to write another answer of the question. You practice those questions at your home. Thank you very much. Now you take as your home task, write five ideas. Write home tasks. Write main ideas about the topic. This is your home task. Write main ideas about this topic. Thank you very much. I have finished my class now. Okay, thank you.